Good evening, everyone. Ali is here from Safi Financial Network. Today is November 2nd, 2022. All right, cycle works, perfect works. And as you see here, we're just coming up all the way to 39.19, and that was the end of the rally for S&P 500. And right now we are just engulfing this wide range bar, which is a exhaustion candle. And just on November 2nd, remember folks, if you follow me with previous analysis, previous days, I told you this area still, there are lots of surprises actually coming for this area. Still, we are not finished this area. We are just at the beginning, and look what happened after that. So previous demand area, supply area, sorry, supply area, the one that I mentioned, and we just got into short position in Nasdaq. I just send it out the alert to my subscribers, and it's all free for you folks. If you want to join, feel free to come to Telegram platform, search for Safi Financial Network, and you will get all the analysis that I'm doing during the day, intraday for the market, S&P 500, and all the other indexes, like even the other asset classes, like commodities, like live cattle. I'm just into it, natural gas, crude, everything. So you can just have eyes on them through my glasses. All right. So market just um, came down and engulfed this wide range bar below this SMA 50 in the monthly in the daily chart. And I think it's going to get ready for a lower leg to 32 to 34. And today we had Fed meeting. Uh, Jerome Powell just came up and said, hey, we're going to suppress the inflation. We want to control the inflation. There is no pivot. Folks, there is no pivot. Even sometimes they're just thinking of the word of pause in inflation, not now, probably in 2023, but there is no pivot. So I don't know where that pivot word is coming from, but in YouTube, in like Telegram, everywhere, when you just search it, Fed is gonna pivot, Fed is gonna pivot. So where that pivot is coming from? They want to just control the inflation. The job market is crazy hot, and they want to just bring the number down to suppress the inflation. So that was very clear message from Jerome Powell that they're gonna just keep the rate, keep the hawkish rate as is, and they don't want to stop it until they get an obvious result. And he mentioned that there is going to be delay or lag with Fed decisions and market reaction. So um, he means by market, not the stock market. He means like the mainstream, which he's right, but always a stock market is 6 months or a year early. So right now, market is going down. So this price action, look at this price action. This is pretty interesting. So look at this price action. So market couldn't get above this. And look this price action. Just want to show you here. Exactly the same thing, huh? So this one is lower leg. We're just coming down, going all the way up. We couldn't engulf this, and look what happened after that. So we are at the beginning, something like this. To the lower low, probably to 3200, and that would be the area for another bounce to complete these five Elliott waves to going down. So it's going to complete the fifth wave probably in December. In December, we will have Santa Claus rally. Everyone is saying, yeah, but that's going to be again another dead cat bounce because this market still is in bearish momentum, and don't fight the Fed. Not even in bull market, in bear market, don't fight the Fed. Fed is gonna just push it on the interest rate. A hawkish tone was obvious in Powell verbiage, and it was clear. It was very clear. At the beginning, he tries to be philosophical and uncertain. When questions just came up, and he just made him clear that we want to just stay on the hawkish tone as we are, just because we want to oppress the inflation. Okay, so Right now, we are just getting back down to the bearish momentum as we expected. So market just closed below this. Let's go to 4-hour chart because that's pretty interesting. So if you go to 4 hours chart, so here is the head and shoulder that I see. So here is the shoulder, here's the head, and probably the right shoulder is there. I don't know. But we had a very over, I should say, sold condition in 4 hours chart, and it is due for a bounce, especially S&P. Look at that, 37.29, 37.30, when this where this wide range bar is, and also this demand area, which helped out previous bounce back up, and probably there is going to be another bounce here. We are getting close to this area, but this trend line is broken, and any bounce would be another selling opportunity for a lower low and probably to 3600 again. And as I said in daily chart, probably we are heading to 32 to 3400 in the next few weeks. So just buckle up, sit tight. The rally is over. Right now we are getting back to the prevailing trend, which is a bearish trend, and we are seeing something like this. So we are seeing something like this, and probably we will have some bounces, but that's going to be just bounce and opportunity for reload to your sell positions. All right. So this supply area worked perfectly in 4 hours chart based on the hourly chart as well. Let's go to the hourly chart. So here's the hourly chart, and interestingly, we just got this bearish consolidation, went all the way down, and I think in Nasdaq when it was there, so I'm gonna give you a Nasdaq, my analysis in Nasdaq as well. So when we were get there before a federal meeting, I called for long position, and all the targets with this wide range bar. Look at that. So this is a pretty wacky candle. So all the targets hit by, I don't know, probably in 10 minutes, 15 minutes, and then we will get back to short, and all targets in short position got hit. So we had very great day. Congratulations to all of you folks if you're following me or if you're just using my analysis. Market went down 2.4% today, and we are in this area. So this area previously I mentioned here, so that's why this doji happened. So probably we are getting more a bounce here when we are getting close to 37.30, especially 37.30 is going to be this yellow dashed line. So 37.30, that's going to be a bounce area, but that's going to be a bounce probably to 37.79 or 37.80. So probably 50 points bounce. That's going to be a good opportunity again for short. So let market is going down, let it go, let it goes down, and when it bounce up here, so probably that's going to be probably NFP or something like that, we will get a bounce. Or even in NFP, if there is a strong NFP on Friday, then it's going to be another selling opportunity because it's going to come down. So we will look at the chart. We don't pay attention to the news. As I told you, I didn't know what was the news, but we got into the right side of the track. So it's important to be on the right side of the track rather than expecting Fed is going to pivot, Fed is going to pause, Fed, even they don't know what they're doing. So probably next session, because the data will be changed, and next session they will decide differently. So don't bet on any news, don't bet on any estimation or guesstimation. Just look at the chart, educate yourself, and try to be on the safer side as much as you can. I think I wrapped up everything for S&P 500. For the next days, I would say market probably find a support here around 37.21 to 37.30. Then we will have a bounce, and this bounce could be a good short opportunity, and we will wait for the trigger. Okay, so if you like this video, please smash the like button, subscribe to our channel, and have a good day. See you on the chart. Bye-bye.